Hey guys, well, this is a cold start on the 68. I'm about to get ready to take it on up here to the to Midas and get some of the work done on it. Some front end work. Oh man, hope the battery not dead, because usually the light comes on, but it sure isn't coming on right now. Let's see what it does. Cold start, you know the old school, you gotta pump them up. Okay. Okay, she started right up. Turn the music on. Yeah, it's no light in here, but yeah, I'm inside the garage. It's a cold start. I'm gonna take it on up here to Midas, because I don't have any like, I don't know anybody like that specializes in old cars. Anyway, I'm not trying to spend a gang of money. I got a, I got a line of credit with Midas, so might as well use that up to save my cash. Shit, we're not balling out here. Not even balling on the budget. I'm just trying to enjoy my car, get it together, and enjoy my little joint, you know? But this is me. I'm coming to y'all in the morning. It's like 7 to 8 o'clock in the morning. And I'm about to pull it on out the garage and go ahead and let's see what's happening. I'm gonna drop it off and let them call me and tell me what's wrong with it, and then I'll tell them how much of it they can get, fixed. Usually I think it's, usually on this one I think it's just like the ball joints, and it's been sitting for 25 years, so, I want all of the rubbers inside to get straightened out. I don't know exactly what they're called. But whatever it needs, just let me know and then get it straightened up. Either all at once or a little bit at a time. You know what I mean? So that's what it is on this. Let me turn this heat on so it can warm up. Yeah. And then after this, I got my nephew coming over to pick me up and take me out there to the auction to pick up the car that I did win, Last time I was on here, I recorded that I was going to the auction, so these are the results of what I got. All right, signing out for now. I might get back on here when I get up to Midas, maybe not. I'll let y'all know. Y'all will see it. All right, later. All right, guys, we up here at Midas. I'm dropping the car off to get it checked out, and we're gonna take a walk around it just to check it out and make sure it is what it is. Quick walk around just to take a look at it. That's all good. It's that front grille, I love it. So they're gonna check it out on the suspension tip and the exhaust tip, make sure everything is right, and if it ain't, they're gonna fix it, because that's what I asked them to do. I asked that of them. So we'll see what goes on. I'm about to wait on my nephew, and then once he gets here, we're going up there, pick up my auction car, and I'll record once I get there. All right, in a minute. All right, now, I just came up here to the bank to get the funds for the auction car. So I left Midas and I'm up here with my nephew. Y'all check him out. Good looking. I'll let y'all in a minute. All right, we just left the auction. This is what I picked up right here. Had to walk around, do a walk around. Yeah. It's not bad. Not bad at all. I think I got a good score. Did you see the brake lights and blinkers? They work? Yeah. All right. Just wanted to give y'all a look. See what I got. It's a pretty good score, I think. Make a nice piece, a couple of dollars off of it. All right. That's Big Nephew over there again. I know y'all see him. All right, get back at y'all later. We're about to get something to eat from this here place. Hey there, guys. I'm in the car right now. I'm on the freeway. I'm doing 80, and this thing is riding pretty smooth. It's riding really, really smooth. I'm doing 80. I don't know how to zoom in on this thing. I don't even know if it's capable. doing 80. And it's riding smoothly. Yeah. So I'm all right. I'm pretty, police coming up here. I'm pretty happy with the purchase. We got the police sitting right there just waiting for somebody. I don't know if it caught that or not. Let me get, they're turning. Are they turning around? They got up off the side place there. All right, let me get off of here. I'll get back on later.